Love Your Liver Detox, Diet and Fitness Tips for a Healthy Liver. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're shining a light on one of your body's most underrated heroes, your liver. Your liver does over 500 vital jobs, from detoxifying your blood to helping with digestion, metabolism, and storing nutrients. In this video, I'll show you how to support your liver naturally with the right foods, fitness habits, and daily detox strategies. No trendy juice cleanses required. If you're ready to give your liver the love it deserves, hit that like button and let's get started. Section 1. What your liver does. Your liver is your body's built-in detox powerhouse. Every day it filters toxins, alcohol, and medications, processes fats and sugars, and regulates cholesterol and hormones. But when overwhelmed by poor diet, alcohol, or chemicals, it can become sluggish or even scarred. That's where conditions like fatty liver disease and hepatitis begin. The good news? Your liver is remarkably regenerative. You just have to support it. Section 2. Foods that heal and protect your liver. Let's start with your plate. These are the top liver-loving foods you should be eating regularly. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, arugula, and kale help flush out toxins thanks to their high chlorophyll content. 2. Lemon water. Kickstart your day with warm lemon water. It supports bile production and digestion. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s, which reduce liver inflammation. 4. Cruciferous veggies. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts boost liver detox enzymes. 5. Garlic and turmeric. Garlic activates liver-cleaning enzymes. Turmeric contains curcumin, which protects liver cells. Avoid too much sugar, fried foods, processed meats, and alcohol, all of which stress your liver. Section 3. Fitness and movement for liver health. Regular exercise is one of the best tools for preventing and reversing fatty liver disease. 1. Brisk walking or jogging. Just 30 minutes a day can help reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. 2. Yoga and stretching. Gentle movement boosts circulation and supports digestion and detoxification. 3. Resistance training. Lifting weights helps build muscle, which enhances metabolic health and supports liver function. 4. Dancing or active hobbies. Keep it fun. Movement reduces inflammation and helps burn excess fat stored in the liver. Consistency beats intensity. Even light daily activity makes a big difference. Section 4. Daily detox habits for a happy liver. Detoxing isn't about starving yourself. It's about supporting your liver so it can do its job naturally. Try these simple daily tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush out toxins. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses per day. 2. Sip herbal teas. Milk thistle, dandelion root, and green tea support liver function. 3. Check your medications. Even common painkillers like acetaminophen can strain the liver in high doses. 4. Get quality sleep. Your liver works hardest while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. 5. Limit alcohol. If you drink, do so in moderation. Your liver filters every drop. Your liver works for you 24/7, so give it the care it needs to thrive. You don't need a crash cleanse to feel better, just the right foods, daily movement, and healthy habits. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment with your favorite liver-loving tip or recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more wellness wisdom every week. Fuel your body, love your liver, live healthy,